5 presidents in the same room, in the same meeting in Malacanang. That's the first time, at least in recent Philippine history. Fidel Ramos, Joseph Estrada, Gloria Arroyo, and Noynoy Aquino attended the National Security Council meeting convened by President Rodrigo Duterte. Past presidents are part of the council, which may be convened by a sitting president to discuss and formulate policies on national security. For this meeting, the main agenda is the South China Sea and the Hague ruling on maritime dispute.
Support.
Support for
Philippine efforts. I mean, at the end of the day, they're all presidents of the Philippines. It will be a cooperative venture.
Apart from the South China Sea, other topics include the current administration's peace roadmap, the campaign against illegal drugs, and federalism. Among the former presidents, it's Arroyo who's not been in the palace the longest. Estrada, Ramos, and Aquino were all there on the day Duterte was inaugurated. It was the first meeting of Aquino and Arroyo, whose detention practically happened under his watch. Here's their first meeting, Aquino simply passing by Arroyo without a handshake, which he willingly offered to the president and Ramos. Mrs. Arroyo, with a smile on her face, seemed unfazed. After all, the meeting was almost like a mini reunion for her. Some of the officials there were members of her cabinet. Other officials in the meeting include Senate President Coco Pimentel, House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez, Senators Tito Soto, Franklin Brelon, Ralph Recto, Congressman Rudy Fariñas and Fred Castro, Vice President Leni Robredo, Executive Secretary Salvador Medjo Dea, National Security Advisor Hermogenes Esperon, AFP Chief of Staff Ricardo Visaya, and several members of the cabinet. Ina Andulong, CNN Philippines.